Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how to connect backend with frontend. So simply creating API and connecting with frontend. So first of all, we need to create backend, after that frontend and connecting the API. So let's start the video. First of all, we are going to create our backend folder. So need to initialize backend. To initialize backend, npm init -y. After this, we need two dependencies, that is npm I express and course, and one more dependency is needed, that is nodemon. So we will install nodemon also. This is our main. Inside that we need to change the type, that is common to module, and then changing the script. So first of all, need start script nodemon and the continue index.js. Is missing. So we are going to go about to create our which file, index.file, which is the main file. So index.js. So let's create our server. So to create server, need to import express from express, then import course. After this, we need the app use express, then app.use for course, then app dot to test our default request from array. Then we will create basic API to call app.get/API/hello. We need to pass JSON data hello world. So this will our main API. After that, only one thing is needed, that is port. So first of all, we need to initialize our port equal to 5000. After that, server will be listen app.listen. So let's check our backend here. npm dev. Here we go. Our backend is ready. After this, we will create our frontend app. We are going to create our React app with npm create widget latex. This command will create our frontend app. Frontend with React JavaScript s. Okay, our React file is created. So we will make some changes. So we will delete our starter project. After this, we can create our self code. So in this fresh, we will going to create our basic app to check or to connect our backend. Inside this, first of all, we will create h1 tag. This is testing or integration app. Then one paragraph for this. This video will tell about how to connect backend and frontend. After that, we will take one button. Inside that, we need to fetch the message. After that, we need to create message, then error. That is, we are going to create use state. Imported use state const message. Okay, and one more needed, that is error. Const error, set error equal to basic app is created. So after the button, we need to get message, then and directly using message, and also same for error to check error properly. After this, so one more is needed, that is loading. Set loading. First, initially it will be false to load the message. After that, I will create function const fetch message equal to okay. After this, in try catch block, I will set loading true. After this, set error to, then const res equal to await Axios. First of all, we will integrate Axios. Frontend npm I COS. This is needed to fetch our API, backend API. After this, we will directly click create. So our API is like, what is our API? Let us check our API name. Hello. So we need to add hello here. After this, message will be data. Set message is equal to res.data.message. After this, catch block. Catch block is needed. Inside that, first of all, setting error properly. Showing error like check course or failed to fetch the backend API. Failed to fetch the backend API. Check course. And also for our development purpose, we will add console 1. Finally, set false. Here on click fetch message, and also disable loading. After that, we will add some styles. So our UI file is ready. So let us check our UI. Okay, so our front end is also ready and backend will also ready. So we will check is this backend is correct or not. Restarted. When we will click here, we will get our output that. So in this way, you can connect backend and front end in easy way.